Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to be teaching you some basic animation. With this animation you can probably start to create your game. So let's go ahead and create a lift that's going to be on the bottom of that platform to take us to the top of the building. So first let's go ahead up to game object and go to 3D object and create a cube. Now control shift, click on the white cube, bring it around there, F to focus, bring it just by the wall, scale it something like that. Go to textures, drag a metal texture just so you can see what you're doing with it. And now you want to head to the animation tab, which is here. If you haven't got this here, then go up to window and you'll have animation. So you literally just want to, so let me just close that tab. Let's say you're confused, you don't know where it is, just go up to window, click animation, it will then drag it here. Just drag the animation straight onto here or wherever you like, where you prefer. So I'm going to have it here. So now what you want to do is there is a red button. You want to click on the record, head to the animation folder in your assets folder and call it whatever you like. I'm going to call it lift dash up down. And now what we want to do is we want to hold, we can either do add curve and then click transform and then add the position, which seemed 4 seconds of my life gone. Or you can hold control, drag up, drag down, and it's created it automatically. It's totally up to you. That's how I prefer it. We're not going to need rotation, but if you want to do rotation, just simply do that. Now there's a rotation, but we're not going to do that yet. So for position, now you'll notice you got all the seconds. Here's 1 second, so 1 second is 60 frames, but we want to go to about 5 seconds, so 300 frames. We now want to copy these keyframes. And we want to just click there and then control V. So now at 300 we got the exact same frame, so nothing's happening. So now we want to go to half of 300, which is 150. Here we then want to just drag it straight to the top of the building, get it nicely lined up or however you like. And now you'll notice if we click play, we have a nice lift animation going. So now we've done that, we want to test it. So go to your project, go to assets, go to standard assets, and in my I think second tutorial I made you import a character controller. So if you want to open that up, character controllers, and drag in a first person, just drag it onto the scene, go up to it and make sure the capsule is not like that, it needs to be above the terrain. And now click play. Let me just make that a bit better, so there's something like that. And now it's going up and down, we can jump on it and it takes us up. We're on the building. So use it to go back down. So that's one easy way. If you want it to play only once, you just simply go to the cube, so it'd be this cube, and no, sorry, that's the animator. You want to head to the actual file itself in the animation folder and then look for your lift up down or whatever you called it, and then there's a loop time. You simply just uncheck that, click play, and now it should just play once. So when it gets back down it should stop. There you go. So now just to get this a bit more advanced, we'll create a cube, bring it up, animation, call this moving square. So we're gonna have this, let's just make it curves the easy way, control up there, and the rotation. Alright, we want you to scale, and now we're gonna go to 10 seconds, so that would be 600 frames. If you're trying to get it on there, just simply go to here and type in 600. Oh my god, 600. So that's nice and easy. Now paste. So now it's the same. Now half of 600 is 300. So 300. So here, let's make him go up, right, like that, and rotating. So now let's click play. We'll go up, and then he'll come back, and then it plays again. So let's go ahead and test that. I don't think we're going to be able to get onto it, but it's worth a try. Okay, that didn't work too well. So you understand the basics of animation now. I am going to go into more detail with different kind of things you can do, but technically now you can start to create your game. You know, you can have, this could be something you have to get up. The lift goes fast and you have to try and get on it. You know, it's up to you. The objective of your game is what your imagination is, like mentioned before. So I hope that helps, this tutorial on animation, and thank you for watching.